Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the last unit. This is Unity. Unity is a little bit more complex than the other ones, okay? Because it's taking one thing and it's kind of bringing it all throughout everything, okay? Kind of like it's the theme in a way, or you know how a theme can kind of go throughout the entire picture, kind of similar, okay? So here we go. We're going to start off with first one is repetition of unity. It says things that look alike appear more related to each other. In this case, the numbers zero throughout the nine are repeated. So these numbers are repeated, 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 and it's all throughout the whole thing. So it makes everything feel like it's connected. Proximity. All right. So proximity, objects that are closer to each other appear more related to each other. So obviously the mother and the child seem to be related because they're very close to each other. Okay. So that's how they have unity there. Next one is alignment. Okay, alignment, the lining of edges and shapes with a composition can help create the unity. So, for example, you see how they're kind of like in rows in a way, they're clustered together. That's kind of like how it's, you know, grouping together. Last one is similarities in unity. Now, this one's a little bit tougher to see. It says treating a variety of items in a similar way. So this is like a technique. So in this style of artwork, he does like little itty bitty strokes, okay, and like sponging effect down here. So that's how it makes it similar. Now let's go to the next page. So what we're going to do is you're going to take each one, so similarities, you're going to tell me in here what is similar. What is similar? What is similar? Repetition. What is being repeated? What is being repeated? Similar. All right, same thing. Okay. Alignment. What's in row? So we get in this. All right. And then we have last one. Proximity. What is close to each other? All right. So once you're done with that, then you're going to go to your last box in your artwork. And you're going to finish that up. And after you're done, you're going to hand in your project and you're going to submit this workbook. All right. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen.